The role of parents and teachers promote child awareness among Christian that learn that only mind the Chapter 1. To the background of the study. Child abuse in the first basic global issue is the drastic consequence of physical, emotional, and mental well-being World Health Organization 2020. In the Philippines, child abuse remains a significant concern, with the numerous case reported annually. Council for the Welfare of Children 2020, while various factors contribute to child abuse. A lack of awareness and understanding about the issue, particularly among children and the adolescents, exacerbate in the problem. This study focuses on the role of parents and the teacher in promoting child abuse awareness among the present learners in Datupang Lima Integrated School. The school, located in rural community, faces unique challenges in addressing child abuse through limited security and awareness. This research aims to explore the current level of child abuse awareness among present learners identified. The roles of parents and teachers in promoting awareness and reform strategies and in changing the effectivity statement of the problem. This study seeks to answer the following research questions. Level of child abuse awareness among present learners in Datupang Lima Integrated School. Number 2. What are the perceived roles of parents in promoting child abuse awareness among the present learners? What are the perceived roles of the teacher of promoting child abuse awareness among the present learners? What are the challenges faced and parents and teachers in promoting child abuse awareness? 5. What strategies can be implemented in terms to role of parents and teachers promoting child abuse awareness? Objective of the study. This study aims to determine the level of child abuse awareness among present learners in Datupang Lima Integrated School. Identify the perceived roles of parents and teachers in promoting awareness. Recommended strategies and change the effectiveness and parents and teachers in promoting child abuse awareness. Significance of study. This is the contribute to the body knowledge on child abuse awareness and prevention in the Philippines, and to provide valuable insight into the current situation in Datupang Lima Integrated Schools and offers to recommendation of improving child protection activities and incentives will be beneficial to school administrators to develop and implementing effective child protection policies and programs. Parents and teachers to enhance their understanding of child abuse and their roles and promoting awareness. Present learners to increase their knowledge and understanding of child abuse into wearing the seek out and protect themselves. Community organization to inform them offers the addressing child abuse and supporting vulnerable children. Staff and delimitation. This study focuses on the role of parents and teachers in promoting child abuse awareness among the present learners in Datupang Lima Integrated School. the study of the conducted through an positive approach to releasing of survey instruments to gather data from the learners and their parents and teachers. The study will be limited to current academic years and will not include another grade level of school. Third, child abuse. Any form of physical, emotional, sexual, and neglectful treatment of results in harm to child. Awareness. The state of being acknowledged and informed about the particular issue. Parents. Biological of adoptive parents, guardian of caretakers, responsible of child well-being. Teacher. Educator responsible for committing instruction of guidance of students. Chapter 2. Review of related literature. Child abuse. A global concern. The section of review of global prevalence of child abuse and its devastating consequences will be discussed various for child abuse, including physical, emotional, sexual, and neglect, and highlight and long-term impact the victim physical, mental, or social well-being. Relevant studies and reports from international organizations like the World Health Organization. The role of parents in child abuse prevention. This section will explore the critical role of parents in promoting child abuse safety and preventing abuse. Parental factors that contribute to child abuse such as lack and acknowledged parenting skills and skills. And section will also discuss importance and positive parenting practices, communication and creating and safe and supportive home environment, and relevant research of parental involvement in child protection will be stated. The role of teacher in child abuse prevention. This section is examined in role teachers in organizing and report child abuse. Will discuss the importance of teacher training and potential development programs and educators in the knowledge and skill identified and respond appropriately. And section will also explore the role of teachers in promoting child abuse awareness through classroom activities, discussion, and school-week programs, relevant studies, and teacher awareness and intervention, child abuse awareness program. The section will review child abuse awareness program and activities both in the Philippines and internationally. Will analyze effectivities and different approaches, including education campaigns, community outreach programs, and school-based intervention. The section is also discussed. Importance is culturally sensitive and health-appropriate programs that cater and specific needs of children, adolescents, relevant research of activities of child abuse awareness programs, and assessment. The section will identify the gaps and citing literature of this study in address. Specifically, with the focus on the lack of research on child abuse awareness among lesson learners in rural communities and specific roles of parents and teachers promoting awareness in this setting and challenges they face. Chapter 3. Methodology. Research design. This study employs the quantitative research design using the survey questionnaires and gathered data from grade 10 learners, their parents, and teachers in Datotong Lema educated participants. The study was include of grade 10 learners in parents. And the teachers in Latupong Lima Integrated School, the sample size of determined based in total number of students is grade 10. Instruments. The study will utilize and separate survey questions. Learners survey to assess the level of child abuse awareness among grade 10 learners. Parents explore the perceived role of parents in promoting child abuse awareness. Teachers survey. Remind the perceived role of teachers in promoting child abuse awareness. Data collection for safety. The questionnaire will be administered of the participants through and combination of online and computer-based methods consent of them from participants before data collection. Data analysis. The collected data is analyzed using descriptive statistics include frequency, percentages, and means, inferential statistics such as and child-wired tests in PU-X9 relationship between the variables. Chapter 4. Result of discussion. The chapter with the parents expanding the study include level and child abuse awareness among grade 10 learners in perceived rules and parents and teachers and challenges and ways of promoting awareness. This expanding will discuss the relation of the stating literature and contextualize with the specific setting of Latupong Lima Integrated School. Level of child abuse awareness. This section will parents and results of learners survey, highlighting a level of awareness among the grade 10 learners regarding different forms of child abuse, their knowledge of reporting mechanism of their understanding for their rights, perceived of role of parents and result of the parent survey, exploring and perceived rules of promoting child abuse awareness include communication with their children, setting boundaries and creating a self-help environment. The section will parents is the result of teacher survey examining the basic rules of promoting child abuse awareness, including classroom discuss, school with programs and reporting procedures. Challenges faced of parents and teachers. This section will analyze the challenges faced of parents and teachers in promoting child abuse awareness, including cultural factors, lack of resources, and limited training. Discussion. This section is provide and comprehensive discussion of the pending drawing of connection between the result and the effective literature with the highlight the key offending their implication of child abuse protection activities and in Latupong Lima Integrated School. Chapter 5. Conclusion and recommendation. Conclusion. The chapter will summarize and the finding of the study, literacy and level of child abuse awareness among the grade 10 learners, the perceived of roles of parents and teachers and challenges and face the conclusion with the emphasize and the importance of promoting child abuse awareness and the need of collaborative effort between parents, teachers, and community. Recommendation is the section of making specific recommendation of changing the role of parents and teachers in promoting child abuse awareness. Recommendation of two.